Attorney Rocky Balisong, he's just gonna join us through the phone. Attorney, welcome back, sir.
Yes, good morning. Thank you.
Okay, sir, so mas maganda po yung ating connection ngayon. So, ang sinasabi ko before we got cut, sir, supposed to be, nanakit daw siya ng mga inmates dahil nagkaroon ng jailbreak prior to this incident, kaya ikinagalit daw niya ito. So, even that, you were saying that he completely denies that meron siyang sinaktan na kahit sinong inmate, sir, sa NBP?
Yes. Yun ang sabi niya kahapon. And yung pinag-usapan namin is we will just wait for the complaint to be filed kung magpa-file man sila so that we can also answer it.
So not one person, sir? Not, you're saying not
Yes.
one person, not one PDL siyang sinaktan?
Not one PDL.
Okay. Why do you think, sir, that, I guess, does it bother you na may mga, or him rather, na may mga lumalabas na ganitong klaseng aligasyon na nananakit siya?
Well, expected yan kasi nakikita natin yung trend ng mga sinasampan na mga kasalanan daw niya, ang dami. So, nakikita natin, ginagamit lahat yung mga PDL, no? So, in-expect namin yun na baka may mga iba pang ilalabas dyan, gagamitin natin sa kanya ng mga PDL.
Does it affect him, sir? Kasi ang dami na pong lumalabas na allegations against him, swimming pool, kuryente, pagtap ng kuryente. Meron pa po akong na-interview in the past, sir, na may paupahan, na parang housing sa labas ng NBP. Meron pong mga kabayo, etc. doon sa area. Ang dami pong lumalabas eh. How is he taking all this?
Well, siyempre sabi niya, kung minsan tinatawanan na niya kasi parang inimbento na lahat ng ang mga allegations laban sa kanya. So, ang naging usapan lang namin is pinakamaganda is hintayin lang natin yung mga ipafile nila against him sa mga allegations na yun regarding sa kabayo, regarding sa diggings, yung mga plunder na sinasabi nila. And itong latest, yung may tinaktan daw siyang PDL. So, of course, affected siya, pero tinatawanan lang din niya kung minsan kasi alam niya na hindi naman totoo yung mga yon.
Oo. But sir, let's look into what you said. Sabi niyo, ang sabi ko niya kasi ay puro invento ito. Nung nakausap ko nga ho siya, hindi naman ho siya natatawa, medyo galit siya. Siguro syempre, minsan galit, minsan siguro natatawa, ano po. Pero mahirap po sabihin invento. How do you mean by invento? Kasi hindi naman po invento, nakita yung mga kabayo doon. Hindi naman po invento, nakita yung hukay doon. Hindi mo ba? How is it invento?
I mean yung yun nga, mga ardos illegal. May mga kabayo, presence ng kabayo, ardos illegal. No? So kung sinasabing mga illegal lahat yung mga yun, mga nakita nila, why don't they file the case so that we can also answer it in the proper forum?
And here's the latest, sir. You also talked about it a while ago. You mentioned the word plunder. I was able to speak to General Catapang, I believe, yesterday, and he said they are going to ready possible plunder charges against General Bantag. Why? Let's talk about the context here, sir. Meron daw 4 na building na pinagawa ang Bucor. With this, the amount was supposed to be 1 billion pesos. And ang nilabas po na pondo is 95%, which is equivalent to 950 million pesos. Pero, ang nagagawa pa lamang daw ay 60% completion. So, katumbas po nun ay 600 million. And here's the thing, sir. Pinadoktor daw ito at sabihin 95% complete para pong malabas yung 950 million pesos instead of the 600 million pesos. Sir, what did General Bantag say about this?
Well, all of these allegations, sabi niya, hintayin na lang natin yung complaint para masagot natin na detalyado naman. Hindi pa natin alam yung details ng mga complaint nila. Lumalabas lang yan sa media. So, the best thing is we will wait for the document itself kung ano yung ipapile nila na complaint against him and then we can answer it.
Yeah.
Point by point.
I understand, sir. Of course, you really need to wait for the details, but just give me a general sense of what he has told you so far about this possible. Ito po, yung apat na building lamang, yung sa supposed to be na dinoktor. Bilang abogado niya, I'm sure napag-uusapan po ninyo ito. What can you tell us?
Well, honestly, hindi pa namin napag-usapan ang tungkol dyan. Actually, nakakonsentrate lang kami sa murder case. Pero, siyempre, nakikita namin sa television na nilalabas na yung mga ganyan. Eh, ang usapan namin is, we'll just wait for all these complaints that we'll be filing regarding yung plunder na yan, regarding yung PDLs na sinaktan daw, and everything. At the moment, we are concentrating on the murder case kasi yun ang may dokumento na nakafile na sa DOJ. So, nakatutok ang atensyon namin doon.
Right. In fact, I think the camp of Ricardo Zulueta had asked your office for a copy of the complaint against him as well. So, I guess, sir, what is it? What is your strategy bilang abogado niya na hindi na ho kayo pro bono, sabi niyo nga, di ba? Binayaran po kayo ni General Bantag.
Binayaran ako ng 1,000 pesos acceptance fee. Yes. Of course, totoo yun. Nag-request si Atty. Gakayan ng copy. So, binigyan namin sila ng copy ng complaint para may advance copy daw sila. So, yan. Nag-aralan. Siguro, we will be coordinating kasi ang defense naman nilang is dinideny talaga nila yung mga allegations doon sa complaint.
Will you collaborate with the camp of Ricardo Zulueta through Attorney Gakayan for your defense?
Yes. Pag-uusapan namin yan mabuti kasi yun nga, nabasa rin ni Atty. Gakayan yung, I think he was also interviewed on this at nabasa na niya yung mga allegations laban kay Zulueta. So, we will be coordinating with Atty. Gakayan regarding this.
Okay, so it's safe to say na you will be allies here in your defense against the complaints filed.
To some extent, yun po.
Yeah, and but have you seen Ricardo Zulueta, sir? Kasi ang sabi po ni Attorney Gakayan, I was also able to interview him. Nung hinahanap po siya, nandun lang po siya sa Baguio, at bumabalik na Maynila, and I believe he was going to, I think Pangasinan, if I'm not mistaken, sir. And basically, he said, wala namang, there's no point in Ricardo Zulueta really showing up kasi pinadala lang daw sa residence niya ay isang page na summon, to appear. Wala po, hindi po nakalakip yung complaint laban sa kanya. Have Ricardo Zulueta and General Bantag seen each other? I mean, at the end of the day, sir, they do have the same defense.
I really do not know, pero kami ni Atty. Gakayan, siyempre nagkita kami, nag-chit-chat, pinag-usapan ng konti yung mga possible defenses namin.
All right, we need to take a attorney. General Catapang has requested, I believe, the SOJ, Secretary Boying Remulla, to recommend doon po sa COA na mag-conduct nitong special audit dito sa 1 billion peso fund na allegedly, sir, that was corrupted under the leadership of General Bantag. Quick reaction on the side of your client, sir?
Well, like I said a while ago, we will just wait for all the results of the investigation, and if they will be filing a case against my client, we will be answering it in a proper forum.
Yeah, but would you say that General Bantag is comfortable or sure of how the funds were utilized, sir?
We will, as I've said a while ago, we will just wait na lang para mas detalyado. Hindi kasi namin alam kung ano yung tinutumbok nila. Titingnan natin ang result ng investigation ng COA na sinasabi nila. Then we will be giving an accurate reaction on those.
But I know it's not up to your camp, but would he rather, is he open, does he support a special audit by the COA?
Yes, of course, why not? That is the proper procedure actually. So if General Catapang will go to COA, that's the proper action for him to do.
Okay. Sir, let's talk about the Percy Lapid case. What's the latest on this? Of course, from the last time is that your camp, General Bantag's camp asked for the inhibition of the panel of prosecutors dahil nga po under the DOJ, and you feel that you will not get a fair trial. General Bantag will not get a fair trial. And let me add, sir, according to Attorney Gakayan, they support this petition for inhibition of the panel of prosecutors. What's the latest?
The latest is, of course, we received na yung mga comments nila in opposition from the NBI, the PNP, and the camp of the Mabasa family. And we also filed our reply because we were given 5 days from receipt of the comments and opposition to file our reply. And we filed our reply yesterday.
I see.
Via mail.
So, ibig sabihin nabigyan na po kayo nung, kasi di ba ang process nito, from the time that you filed the petition for inhibition, I think all camps were given 10 days, camps meaning NBI, PNP, and the Percy Lapid family, and then pagsagot po nila, binigyan naman kayo ng ilang araw para mag-file ng counter ninyo, and ito, na-file nyo na. Ito na ho ba yung end nito before the panel of prosecutors decide on this?
Ito yung reply na sinasabi. But doon sa order kasi ng panel of prosecutors, our camp is given 5 days from receipt of the order to file our reply on the comments on opposition filed by the NBI and the PNP. So nag-file muna kami ng inhibition. The NBI, PNP, and the Mabasa family were given 7 days to comment. And they submitted already, we received it. So we were given 5 days to file our reply or our comments also, or opposition to their comment. And then they were given also a number of 5 days within which to file the rejoinder or their comments on our reply.
I
so
see.
Yun po ang binigay ng panel.
So it's really sir? Kampo ninyo, kampo nila, kampo niyo. Pagkatapos, dahil you filed your comments on their opposition, sila naman po pasasagutin ulit, tama ho ba? At ito na po yung tinatawag na rejoinder.
Rejoinder. If it is necessary for them, if this is it fit na magpa-file sila, or they can just waive it and then just submit the motion for resolution of the investigating panel.
But to be clear, sir, PNP and DI obviously opposed to the inhibition, and also the camp of
Mabasa.
yung Mabasa family also. So,
Yes.
lahat po sila, okay sila sa panel of prosecutors. Kayo po,
Yes,
at
yes.
pag mag-file na po yung kampo ni Ricardo Zulueta, opposed din po dito nga sa inhibition. Sir, kailan ho ito magkakaroon ng desisyon? Is it gonna be next year na po ito?
The way it magiging next year na yan kasi maraming bakasyon sa buwang ito. What is good is we already filed our reply, and then the other camp will also be filing the rejoinder. So after filing the rejoinder, it will be submitted for resolution.
Okay. Attorney Balisong, if the panel of prosecutors, because we know that your camp would rather have, hindi ho ba the Office of the Ombudsman really look into this complaint against General Bantag? Sabihin po natin the panel of prosecutors junks your motion for inhibition. What's next?
Well, we are really hopeful na they will inhibit, no? But kung in the event na talagang i-deny nila yung motion for inhibition namin, let's cross the bridge when we get there.
But what are your options?
We have several options. So first, we can file a motion for reconsideration on their resolution. We can also opt to file our counter affidavit and take it from there. So, gano'n ang mga options na wini-weigh namin kung anong gagawin namin.
Pwede pa yun, counter affidavit, pag sila, pag mag-decide na sila that the panel of prosecutors stay, you can still file a counter.
Yes, of course, kung i-deny nila yung motion for inhibition namin at sasabihin nila na dapat di talaga, we will decide kung talagang we will submit to their jurisdiction, or we can file a motion for reconsideration on their resolution denying our motion for inhibition, and then we have several options actually.
Yeah, but this can't go, no, sir? I'm asking as a obviously non-lawyer, this can't go to a higher court because hindi pa nga napupunta sa RTC, hindi mo ba? I mean, are there other options aside from the DOJ that you can appeal this?
Yes, yung findings nila, doon muna tayo sa motion for inhibition kasi yun ang nakasala na yun.
Oo.
Whatever will be their findings, we will be exercising our remedies, no? Legal remedies, kung anong gagawin namin.
Okay.
We will question it before the higher courts or not.
Pwede po yun. Yun ang gusto ko malaman. Can you
Yeah,
question
pwede,
this before the
pwede.
higher court? Kahit na po. I see. So you can go to the Supreme Court and question this.
Yes, not necessarily the Supreme Court, Court of Appeals siguro.
Court of Appeals, pwede.
Yeah. But we have to file our motion for reconsideration first.
Yun muna.
Because that is a requirement, yes.
Understandable, sir. Last question, meron na pong Immigration Lookout Bulletin laban sa inyong kliyente. Has he given any response to you regarding this? Kahapon po lumabas yung balita. Pero, I think this was sometime the first week of December pa, pero nalabas lang sa media kahapon.
Yes, anyway, it's just a lookout naman eh. It's just a lookout and very clear naman doon sa immigration lookout na it is not actually a hindrance for them to travel or to go abroad if they wish to. It's just a lookout. It's just for monitoring purposes because if the question is can they still get out of the country? Why not? That is their constitutional right. No?
Yeah.
So
Is he planning to take a bit of a vacation, sir? Go away?
No. Dito lang siya sa Pilipinas. Binibiro ko nga siya eh. Pasya nga muna tayo sa Hong Kong. Tingnan natin kung titigilan ka sa immigration. Pero I'm sure they will not do that. They will not do that because that is not the purpose of lookout.
So he stays here? Dito muna siya, sir?
Yes, dito muna siya.
Okay. Lawyer of suspended Prisons Chief Gerald Bantag. Attorney Rocky Balisong.